Every system of power has two faces, the one it shows the world and the one it shows only to those it has already destroyed. Why is it that people who leave a toxic environment often tell a completely different story from the people still inside it? I've always found that fascinating. Whether it's a workplace, a relationship, a school, or an institution, those on the outside usually see the polished image. The people who lived through it often remember something very different. That's why this quote stayed with me. Every system of power has two faces, the one it shows the world and the one it shows only to those it has already destroyed. Real power rarely introduces itself with intimidation. It earns trust. It builds loyalty. Sometimes it even convinces people that questioning it is the problem. Only later, when someone walks away or finally speaks out, does another picture begin to emerge. Not because the second face suddenly appeared, because it was never meant to be seen. That's why I've learned to pay attention to the people with nothing left to gain by telling their story. Sometimes they're bitter, sometimes they're mistaken, but sometimes they're the only ones willing to describe what everyone else is too afraid, too loyal, or too dependent to admit. So, here's something to think about. Have you ever discovered that a person or an organization was completely different once you saw it from the inside? What changed your perspective? Share your thoughts in the comments.